That was awesome. His little fontanelles look good. Good job. And now we're gonna check Atlas. There's the writing reflex.
Okay.
His head. You did it!